Hello programmer, welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn about global and local variable. When we declare a variable outside of the function, then it becomes global, and all the function and script can access a global variable. But when we declare a variable within a function, then it becomes local, and that local variable can be accessed within that function. Now for the example of global variable, make a variable called name1. Here you can assign your name, but I'm gonna assign Bob. Then make another variable called name2, then assign Tina. Then make a function with a name myFunction. Now use name1 variable within a function. Write document dot write name1, and in the same way use name2 variable outside of the function. And don't forget to call my function. Now when we run this, we got Bob and Tina. Let's see how it happened. Here we declare name1 and name2 as a variable outside of the function, which means they are global variable, and that's why we can use them within a function as well as outside of the function. Now let's see what will happen if we declare those variables inside of a function. First cut those variables, then paste it inside of a my function. Save this, and we got Bob but not Tina, because we declared those variables inside of a function, which means they become local variable for my function, and those local variable can only access within my function. But we cannot access those variable outside of the my function, and here we are trying to access name2 outside of the function so that we did not get Tina. And this much for this tutorial. Please like, share, comment on this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.